Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Pauline May Dumanlang and today we're diving into conditional statement, switch case, and match case statement. If you're a student looking to sharpen your skills, you're in the right tutorial video. So let's get started. What is conditional statements? Conditional statements allow programs to perform different actions based on different conditions. They are essential for decision making in any programming language. So, kining conditional statement kay isa ka command sa programming na mubuhat sa lahi-lahi na action depende kung ang condition is tinuod or dili. Switch case statement. The switch statement is used in Java programming to execute different blocks of code based on the value of a single expression. It is an easy way to write multiple if-else statement. Kining switch case statement is a type of conditional statement na gigamit sa programming. Mamili rag isa sa mga daghan na choices depende sa value sa variable. Imbes na magamit kag if-else, gamiton nimo ning switch case statement. So, kini ang example nato sa switch case statement. Since mga man taon niya og user input, let's import Java util.scanner. Then next is maghimo tag class na ang name kay try. Then let's create the main method kung asa mag-start ang atong program. Diri sa sulod sa main method is magputang tag scanner object aron basahan niya ang input nato niya. Then pagkumana ni is mag-comment ko para ilahanan na ako na basic switch statement ang ipangbuhat na ako. Then next is nag-declare ko na ang variable na day is ang value niya is 4 na ang data type is integer. Then dere is mag-start na taog switch case statement. Ang switch case statement is ka-check sa value sa day and mag-decide unsa ang i-print. Sa case 1 is system out print. It's Monday. Then sa ubos ani is mag-break ta. So kung wala ning break, mag-continue gihapon og run ang isa ka code bisag nakita na niya ang match. Sa case 2, system out print line it's Tuesday. Then break na sab. Sa case 3, system out print line it's Wednesday. Then break. Then sa case 4, system out print line na sabta, then it's Thursday. Then break. Sa case 5, ang ibutang pud nato diri is it's Friday. Then break. Sa case 6 and 7 is system out print line it's weekend. Then go rest. Then break na sab. For the last one is ang default. Kining default is mag-run sa mga wala na match na value. System out print line invalid day. Try again. Then break. Since ang atong value is 4, ang mamatch niya ang case 4. So, it's a Thursday, kaya ang for case 4 nato is it's a Thursday. Then, for the second example nato is with user input na sab. First is mag-print tag space. Next is mangayo ng program og user input na enter a color. Then diri is ang mga gipang input ni user is ibutang nato dira sa string color input dot next line. So dili na to magsugod og switch case statement nato. I-check niya kung asa nagmatch ang color na gipang input sa user. Sa case na red is system out.println apple. Then break. Case pink, system out println na sub peach. Then break. Then case yellow, system out.println mango. Then break. Then case purple, system out println grapes. Then break. Then case orange is system out println sabta and orange ang ibutang na fruit. Then break. In case green, system out println butang nato is watermelon. Then break. Then default. So default is ang ibutang nato is invalid, unknown fruit, try again. Then break. Then i-close nato ang atong scanner. So for example, ang atong encode is yellow, ang ma-print niya is ang yellow nang sud is mango. And that's all for switch case statement. Let's proceed to the next one. Match case statement. A match case statement in Python is used to perform different actions based on different values of an expression. Instead of writing many if, else statement, you can use the match statement. The match statement selects one of many code blocks to be executed based on which pattern matches the expression's value. So, kining match case statement is gamiton sa Python. Kini ang mobuhat sa mga action depende kung unsa ang value. So, kini ang example nato sa match case statement. Ang una na buhaton is mag-comment ta para ilahanan or ga-describe unsa ang gibuhat nimo. Next is nag-define ko na ang variable nam is ang value is 3. Then diri is mag-start na tag match case. I-check niya kung asa nag-match ang value ni nam. Case 1 is print the number is 1. Then next is case 2. Print the number is 2. Then sa case 3, print the number is 3. Then next is case 4. Print the number is 4. Then ang next is ang case underscore or default case. Siya ang mag-handle sa mga wala na match na values. So, since ang value man nato is 3, ang ma-print or buhaton niya is ang case 3. The number is 3. Kaya ang value nato is 3. Next is mag-comment diri with user input. Next is mag-import ko diri og input function. Kini siyang ga-allow na magkuha og mga text sa user. So kung unsay gi-input sa user is mabutang sa day na variable. Next is mag-start na tag match case sa day. Sa case naman day, then print is IS, EC, and Fundamentals of Programming class today. The next is Case Tuesday. Print is Math and Networking today. Class today. Next is ang case for for Wednesday. Then print Fundamentals and UTS class today. Ang next is ang Saturday. Print EC Patfit and Math class today. Next is ang sa Friday. Print IS, UTS, and Networking class today. Sa case na Saturday, i-print is today is NSTP class. Sa Sunday is print weekend. No class today. Then ang last one is ang default case. So kung ga-input og user na wala sa mga case Monday to Sunday, ang default case ang mag-run. Ang print niya is please input a day only. For example, ang atong i-input is Wednesday. Ang mo-run is ang case na Wednesday na Fundamental and UTS class today. For example, Java. So wala man siyang input niya is please input a day only. And that's all for conditional statement, switch case, and match case statement. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.